The efficiency here is remarkable.
Indeed, quality control is paramount.
Welcome to this detailed documentary on solar panel manufacturing. In this video, we will explore how solar panels are made inside a modern factory. Solar panels help convert sunlight into clean electricity. They are one of the most important technologies for a green future. Let's begin our journey from raw materials to finished solar panels. Solar energy comes from the sun. The sun provides unlimited power every day. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. This energy is clean, renewable, and environmentally friendly. Solar panels are used in homes, factories, offices, and power plants. There are three main types of solar panels: monocrystalline solar panels, polycrystalline solar panels, thin film solar panels. In this factory, we focus mainly on crystalline silicon solar panels. The main raw material used in solar panels is silicon. Silicon comes from sand, not normal sand, but high-purity quartz sand. This sand is rich in silicon dioxide. It is transported to the factory for processing. Raw silicon contains many impurities. To make solar cells, silicon must be very pure. The silicon is heated in large furnaces. Chemical processes remove unwanted materials. After purification, we get high-purity silicon. The purified silicon is placed into a large melting furnace. The furnace heats the silicon at very high temperatures. The silicon melts and becomes liquid. This molten silicon is ready to form into solid blocks. The molten silicon is poured into molds. It slowly cools down and becomes solid. These solid blocks are called silicon ingots. Ingots can be cylindrical or rectangular. Cooling must be slow to avoid cracks. After cooling, ingots are removed from molds. Large cutting machines slice the ingots. They are cut into very thin sheets. These thin sheets are called silicon wafers. Each wafer is only a few millimeters thick. The silicon wafers are cleaned carefully. Dust, oil, and particles must be removed. Special chemical solutions are used. Clean wafers are essential for high efficiency. After cleaning, wafers move to the next stage. The wafer surface is treated chemically. This creates tiny pyramid shapes on the surface. These shapes help trap sunlight. Less light is reflected away. More light is absorbed into the solar cell. Doping adds special elements to silicon. Usually boron and phosphorus are used. This process creates positive and negative layers. These layers allow electric current to flow. Now the wafer becomes a solar cell base. A thin blue coating is applied on the wafer. This coating reduces light reflection. It helps absorb more sunlight. The blue color is common on solar panels. Efficiency increases after this step. Metal lines are printed on the wafer surface. These lines collect electric current. Silver and aluminum paste is used. The lines are very thin but powerful. They guide electricity out of the cell. The wafers pass through heating ovens. The metal contacts are fixed permanently. This process is called firing. The solar cell structure becomes strong. Now the solar cell is almost complete. Each solar cell is tested carefully. Machines check voltage and current. Defective cells are removed. Only high-quality cells move forward. Quality control is very important. Solar cells are sorted by efficiency. Cells with similar power are grouped together. This ensures equal performance in panels. Sorting improves panel reliability. Now cells are ready for panel assembly. Solar cells are placed on a glass sheet. They are connected using thin metal ribbons. Cells are arranged in rows and columns. This forms a solar panel layout. Precision is very important here. A protective plastic layer is added. Another glass sheet is placed on top. The panel goes into a laminating machine. Heat and pressure seal all layers together. This protects cells from moisture and damage. An aluminum frame is attached around the panel. The frame provides strength and support. It makes installation easy. The frame also protects the edges. Panels now look complete. A junction box is fixed on the back side. Wires connect the solar cells to the box. This box sends electricity to external systems. It also prevents electric shock. Safety is ensured here. Completed panels are cleaned. Dust and fingerprints are removed. Panels must look perfect. Clean panels also perform better. Now they are ready for testing. Panels are tested under artificial sunlight. Power output is measured. Insulation and durability are checked. Only approved panels pass this stage. Failed panels are repaired or rejected. Approved solar panels are packed carefully. Protective foam and covers are used. Panels are placed in strong boxes. Labels and serial numbers are added. They are now ready for shipping. Packed panels are stored in warehouses. They are transported by trucks or ships. Panels are sent to homes and industries. Solar farms receive panels in large quantities. The journey continues to installation sites. Solar panel manufacturing is a complex process. It requires precision, technology, and care. Solar panels help reduce pollution. They provide clean and renewable energy. Thank you for watching this complete solar panel manufacturing process.